Only true marketers will get this answer right. So what will you choose? On one hand, if you want to be an online entrepreneur and want to start your online journey, consider hitting that like button, smashing the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any money making opportunity. Follow me on my Instagram as well. I post a lot of useful content for beginners over there also. So today we are going to play a small game that will tell us who is a true marketer. And the discussion that we are going to have, the examples that we are going to give will really open up your mind about what marketing actually is. What is a job of a successful marketer and how you can become a successful marketer, because what we are going to talk about is the basis of a successful marketing. So the game is very simple. I'm going to give you two options and you need to choose one of those options, and you are only allowed to ask me one question. Now whoever asks the correct question in order to choose from the two options, that person is a true marketer. And we are going to have a discussion on what marketing actually is. What is the basis, the most important thing for marketing? So the options you have are very simple, very straightforward. On one hand, you have 1000 clicks to your affiliate link. And on the other hand, you have 10,000 clicks on your affiliate link. Now, which out of these two options will you choose? And you can only ask one question in order to determine that which option would you choose. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Write down in the comment what will be that question and what will you choose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what was your question? Did you directly choose the 10,000 affiliate link clicks? Or did you ask some correct questions in order to determine that which option would you choose? Now, some people might directly go with a higher click option. That is not wrong, but that is not what true marketing is about. The correct question that you had to ask was, how targeted are these people? How targeted are these clicks? Because the whole game of a successful marketing is proper targeting. Marketing is all about targeting. Okay, so you need to ask the question, is the traffic that I'm getting, are the clicks that I'm getting good, targeted, well targeted? Only then you can make money in this digital field or any field for that matter. Until and unless your approach, your method is targeted, you won't get results. Let me give you an example. A few weeks ago, I showed a method on YouTube, and after showing that, I also started implementing email marketing in that method. I started pasting my landing page link and started collecting emails. So in the past 3 to 4 weeks, I've collected almost 200 emails from that method. That is highly targeted traffic that I'm getting. And from those 200 emails, I've already made over $2,100 just in the past 2 to 3 weeks, just by doing that very simple email marketing just with 200 emails. And on the other hand, I started doing a different kind of marketing in which I was implementing some other method and the traffic was not so targeted. I did email marketing, I collected the emails of the people and I received 1,223 emails from that method till now, and I have only made $220 from those 1,200 emails. So where is 200 emails and where is 1,200 emails? Are you getting the idea? Are you getting the point? The whole idea of a successful marketing campaign, of a profitable marketing campaign, is how well targeted is the audience, how well targeted are the clicks and the views and all these things that you are getting. Let me give you another example. Let's talk about the following on different social media platforms, YouTube subscribers, Instagram followers, all of those social media platform followings. It is a general assumption that more following equals more money. That is not fully true. Why? Because what if 90% of your followers are inactive or don't know who you are? You have just randomly got those followers from somewhere and those people don't take interest in your content. So tell me, even if you have 10,000 followers, but 90% of them are inactive, whereas if you have 1,000 followers but they are highly active, you have properly targeted them, they themselves have subscribed you or followed you, so they will engage with your content more and that will be more beneficial. So even if you are able to get 10,000 subscribers on YouTube doing this method, maybe asking for shout outs, asking your friends to follow you, to subscribe you, going to different people and requesting them to promote your channel. So if somebody promotes their channel, for example, and even if they are able to get 10,000 subscribers from these random things, will that help them? If they have a gaming channel, if they have created content regarding FIFA or GTA or Fortnite or Battlegrounds or PUBG or whatever, 90% of your followers don't even know the G of gaming. They don't even know what is FIFA or what is GTA, or they don't even have the proper equipment maybe for that game. Then that won't help you because nobody will watch your content. So that will hurt you, because YouTube will understand that your subscribers itself aren't watching your videos, so we won't promote it to other people. Whereas if you have 1,000 subscribers and those people have themselves subscribed to you, themselves they have followed you, so obviously they are interested in your content, whatever content you are making, so they will engage with your content, they will watch your content, and that will help you. I hope you are getting the idea. I hope you are getting the point I'm trying to make. Don't go ahead with just numbers. Amount of subscribers, the amount of emails, the amount of clicks that you are getting doesn't matter. If your targeting is there, if whatever clicks, whatever subscribers, whatever followers, whatever emails you are getting, if those people are properly targeted, if those people are coming on your link through the proper method, if you have implemented the proper method, if you have done proper targeting, then those people are enough to make you money. You just have to focus on doing razor sharp targeting in all the methods. And that is how you are going to make money. That is how you are going to grow in any field. So the whole idea of marketing is proper targeting. Good targeting will get you results. My whole channel is about teaching you different methods of targeting audience and making money from that. So you can check out other videos on my YouTube channel. Along with that, if you are interested to learn 8 special methods of doing razor sharp targeting. Using these methods, I have built a 7-figure digital empire with free traffic. You can check out my website from the first link in the description box or the pinned comment. My students are crushing it. Some of them are getting results in the first week as well, some in the first month as well. So if you want to be trained by me, you can check out my website from the first link in the description box. If you liked this video and want to learn how you can get your first sale as I did, click on the video that is flashing on your screen right now. All the steps, all the proofs, each and everything is shown to you step by step.